Hi there, Laura Wilson here. Today I am going to be playing with my new palette, which is the Milani Metallic 08 palette. I'll show you what it looks like. Just recently got Milani in our local store, so I was excited to try one out because I've never tried Milani eyeshadow before, and I was really attracted to this colour here. Looks like this. So it's got a bit of a gold shift to it. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. But it was really pretty and I wanted to try it out. So I thought I might do a reverse halo eye. I was thinking last night what I wanted to do with this palette, and I didn't want to go really dramatic because a lot of these colours lend themselves to a really dramatic look, but I didn't want to go really dramatic for this look. So I was thinking of a reverse halo and thinking, what do you call a reverse halo eye? And I was coming up with all kind of weird names like tunnel vision eye or something. And I thought, I wonder if anyone's ever done that before. So I looked it up on YouTube this morning, and apparently it's not a new concept at all, and lots of people have done it before. So they say that no idea is original. So the only matte in this one is a black, which I don't think I'm going to use anyway for this look. So I'm going to go into my Face Profusion palette and use this light brown fawn colour. And I'm going to put that in my crease. So I was thinking, why would you want to use a reverse halo eye? And the only reason I can think of the kind of eye it would suit would be if you had a really protruding eye, then you might want to do a reverse halo eye for that, because the dark colour would be in the middle and that would sort of recede further back, and the light colours would be on the outside and they would come further forward. This is why you do a halo eye, is to bring this area, which is usually lighter in a halo eye, forward and pop. So I have no idea if this is going to look any good or not, but I just wanted a touch of that colour. I didn't want to have a whole lot of that colour today. So I think I will start off with this creamy colour here. Comes with a little wee brush. It's very short, but I'm not going to use that brush at the moment. So I'm just using a little flat brush at the moment, and I'm going to do this little bit up here. Highlight my brow bone a little. And I'm going to get a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to get, I'll get this little, it's kind of like a pencil brush, but it's quite tightly packed, and I'm going to go into this gold colour here. So I'm just going to build up the colours. From like the inside, from the outside going into the middle, and getting darker as I go. I might put that gold up here like you would do with a halo eye, but I'm going light instead of dark. And I get my little packing brush and get that lighter colour again. And blend out the edges. I did my base first, so I'm hoping there won't be too much fallout. Now I'm going to go in, I think I'll carry on using my packing brush, and I might go into this little colour up here. It's a pretty colour. It's like a very light bronze colour. It's a pinky bronze. But a very light one. It's pretty. I'm going to wipe the excess off that brush and go back into the gold. And just blend it out. So at the moment, you probably won't even be able to tell on camera that there is much difference in the colours. I'm going to go back into the creamy colour. Now I think I'll go into this colour here, number 3. It's got little numbers on the back there. And it's also got some suggestions for eye looks, so natural and a dramatic. You never know, I might try that one day. And I'm going to build up some colour towards the middle of the eye. It's really pretty colour too. These all work really well together, these colours, and a tiny little bit of fallout there, but I'm actually I am building up the colour quite a lot and I'm not really tapping my brush off, so it's actually done really well considering the way I'm using it. I'm going to go back into this colour here. And now I'm going to go into this number 4 colour, which I think is just gorgeous. I'm using all these colours dry at the moment, so I haven't wet my brush or anything. I have got eye primer on, and I have powdered down my eye primer. How pretty that colour is. I'm going to go back into the number 3 colour, just blend out those edges a bit. I'm going to go back into this one here. I'm going to go back into the cream. I think I'll do more of the cream on the inner corner. And I think I'll try wetting the brush just to intensify that dark colour. Get my rose water spray. It's just a mixture of the rose water you get from the chemist and water. And I'm concentrating that more towards the lash line. That's really pretty. Nice. And I'm just going to take this little brush here, and I haven't put any product on it, and just making sure I've got some blend going. So it's kind of a subtle reverse halo eye. I feel like I want some cream to blend this out a bit more, but I've actually finished all the cream. I might be able to get a tiny bit out of the corner out of my Face Profusion palette. There's a very tiny amount left. You can get a clean, fluffy brush and just do some blending. Yeah, that just blends that in a little better. I've got a little bit of fallout under my eyes, which I'm going to clean up. If I can find my sponge. Put it way over the other side of my desk for some reason. Now what do I want to do on the bottom? I think I'll put, I'll tightline the top first. I'm just using the black for that. Using my Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer in Black is Black. So I think what I'll do next is I'm going to go in with this middle colour here and a little wee tiny brush. And put that on first. I'm going to go into the lightest colour, this one. I'm going to put this inner. And then I'm going to go into the next lightest, the goldy one. And I'm going to put this on the outer. And I'm going to get my little fluffy brush and just smoke that out a little bit. Then I'm going to go into the darkest colour, that really pretty one that we put in the middle, and stick it in the middle. A little bit of the second goldy colour in between the light colour on the inner, and just blend it out on that side as well. So that's the eyeshadow so far. Now I'm not sure if I want to go bronze in the waterline or light in the waterline, so I will try with bronze. That colour goes so well with the powder. I feel like, it's just getting it all over me, I feel like it's very similar to this colour here. It's almost exactly the same colour. That's what it looks like so far. I'll put some mascara on. I'm just using my L'Oreal Telescopic I want my lashes to look long, because my lashes aren't long at all. But rather than volume today, I'll go for length. So that's what it looks like with just mascara. I'm not sure if I should put some liner on the top or not. I quite like it like that, but I might put a little bit of liner along the top lash. So here's my final look with this palette, with my eyelashes on. So I was really happy with the way that performed. I didn't have a lot of fallout. You know, I was looking at it in the shop, I was thinking, well, probably got most of these colours already in my collection, but it was this colour here that I was particularly interested in. But I'm not sorry that I bought it. All the colours are really beautiful on the eye. I really enjoyed using it, and I'm sure I'll get plenty more use out of it. I'll do a little swatch. I know this isn't a new palette. It's new to me, and it's new to the shops where I am, because they haven't sold Milani around where I am before. So I was really happy to have something different to try out. So I never really get the hang of swatching very well, do I? I'm not quite sure how to put my arm. So from the lightest one down, so, and then the two little squares in the black doesn't, oops, can't even see my arm. The black doesn't swatch very well, so I haven't tried that on my eye, so I don't know what it would be like on my eye. But all the other colours, this one looks really chunky when you swatch it, but I didn't have any trouble with it putting it on my eyes, and they're all really beautiful on the eyes. And I actually think they look better on your eyes than they do in swatches, to tell you the truth. So I'm really happy with that palette, and I will enjoy playing with it some more. So there's my first impressions of the Milani Metallics, the 08 Must Have Metallics palette. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.